All right, so we're out here with my boy Daniel. He got his G messed up. You hit the fence, right? You said.
Yeah.
So he's missing the headlight, and then the grill obviously got fucked up, but there's no frame damage. Just a rad support, so we're gonna try to fix it up. Go to a junkyard, and we'll probably replace the headlights later on, and then get a different grill. It's got the brembos. Here's my G. So we're about to head out to the junkyard, and we're also gonna try to figure how we're gonna fix this. I'm not sure if I gotta clean it up and then compound it. It's not too bad. We should get it up and running in a couple weeks. I think he is ordering the bumper, and then we will have to get that paint matched. Oh yeah, and it does have a little bit of minor hood gap because of the dent. That's not too bad. Nah. Alright, so we got the rad support off from a sedan. They are compatible with the coupes as well. Alright, so we got this Sankai radiator cap, and you know this is gonna be for the side marker. And then he got this black Infiniti carpet for free, and the radiator is only 30 points. So yeah, it's looking clean. Yes, sir. Got Spec these nuts. For the chrome on chrome. Looking really nice. Yeah, these Facebook market ones, they were all fucked up, man. The guy before was, you know, they did some Frankenstein splicing and shit. I'm gonna be putting ceramic coat wax on the headlights. They do have to be wet, so I'm just damping them up. Yeah, so we just got the bumper back from the painter. This shit is looking nice. It's actually paint matched pretty well. All we gotta do is mount it up with the fender, but we're gonna run some bolts and washers just because the old grommet doesn't really fit. You can see a reflection on there, man. That's crazy. And it's not even a black paint job. I mean, this wasn't painted, but just to show you how well this bumper is. Yep, you can tell I park here. Alright, we're about to do the oil change real quick.